Top national news headlines. Air India Express suspends pilot after alleged assault on passenger at Delhi airport. Parliament passes nuclear energy bill, paves way for private investments. Delhi fog disrupts flight operations, airport warns of delays, IMD issues red alert for city. Delhi government reports drop in vehicular traffic after strict GRAP4 anti-pollution measures. Child trafficking and commercial sexual exploitation are deeply disturbing reality in India, Supreme Court. Priyanka's house saber, wielded with a smile, softens stormy winter session. PM Modi highlights global collaboration at WHO Traditional Medicine Summit. Corporations have a fundamental duty to protect ecosystem, prevent species extinction, Supreme Court. Karnataka CM Siddaramaiah joins PWD Minister Satish Jarkiholi for dinner amid leadership speculation. Tribal patients will face more ordeals with privatization of medical colleges in Andhra, Araku MP. India finally thinks big on nuclear energy. An American company hard sells its small reactors. India excludes dairy, gold, silver, footwear from trade pact with Oman. Aid attaches assets of Yuvraj Singh, Sonu Sood, Urvashi Rautela, others in betting case. Giriraj Singh backs Nitish after Hajab Rao's Bihar doctor declines state job service. International news headlines. US military strikes 70 targets in Syria against Islamic State fighters after American deaths. Rubio says new governance bodies for Gaza will be in place soon, followed by international force. United Nations General Assembly discusses ceasefire and humanitarian relief. Earthquake of magnitude 4.1 strikes Afghanistan. Global leaders review progress on international climate commitments. US and European central banks signal cautious economic outlook. Knife attacker kills 3 after smoke bombing Taiwan metro. Trump says he is not ruling out war with Venezuela, NBC News reports. Bangladesh violence. UN rights chief calls for end to revenge attacks in Bangladesh. Bondi Beach attacker Sajid Akram renewed his passport in Hyderabad in 2022. Oil prices climb as US blocks Venezuelan tankers, eyes on Russia-Ukraine talks. Japan reaffirms no nukes pledge after senior official suggests acquiring weapon. Trump expands access to cannabis in a major shift in drug policy. US suspends green card lottery scheme after Brown shooting.